Okay, today we're working on a Nintendo Switch Lite with error code 2101-0001, and as you can see, we're getting no battery charge. It's not even pulling anything. So what we'll do, we'll open it up and see what's going on. Normally, it's probably the charging IC M92, but what we'll do, we'll just check around some caps, see if there's any that are shorted to ground. Now these two that I'm doing now were shorted, so that's a good clear indication that it's going to be M92. So what we'll do, we'll get rid of this chip and replace it. With the chip off the board, I'll cool it down a little bit and then I'll just check them capacitors, and I can see that the short has cleared. So now we'll get a new charging IC. All sides look good, so I'll give it a quick clean and then I'll just double check again that there's still no short on that line. So again, I'll just check them two capacitors. Yep, nice and clear. And with that chip swapped out, now if we put it on charge, the battery's good. It's pulling a nice amp, and it comes on. Job's a good one.